At the June Saddle Up box from Lone Star. This is a mystery box. Normally comes with 2 discs, sticker, piece of swag of some sort. Let's see what they get this month. So the first thing is a towel. School's out, MIDI. So I'm guessing one of the discs is going to be a MIDI. Ooh, that's kind of cool. That is a Bravo Bearcat. And so that's kind of a new stamp for them. That's pretty cool. And this is kind of their old school. And I love Blue Swirly. The other one, I'm guessing this is the MIDI. That's pretty awesome. I don't believe I have a MIDI in the Founders. I wonder if it's Founders Glow. It does not say. And it does look like this is the old tooling as well. So maybe that's a pop out from what they had before. A pair of sunglasses. That's pretty cool. They say Lone Star on the side. And then a sticker. So again, you get the sticker, the glasses, the towel. I got a MIDI and a Bearcat. So those are 2 pretty sweet discs right there. Can't wait to throw these guys.
And one new thing, you can type in Mark Confer and click apply and save 10% on almost all of the discs available at LoneStar.com. As of now, these are still available, so go ahead and head over to LoneStar.com and pick up your own Saddlebox subscription.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any questions, make sure to put them down in the comment section below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. That really does help my channel grow, and I want to continue to do things just like this to show you what these kind of boxes look like and other rare discs that I get. You can look at all of my playlists to see all my disc dies and also a lot of opening up boxes of some limited edition disc. And so hopefully you like it. Thank you so much and have a great day.